Here is how to install any website as an app on your PC. So let's get started. It's really simple. First, just open your browser and then go to the website which you want to install. So this can be anything from Gmail or some work related thing or even Wordle, for example. I'll do that for now. Then just go to the site that you want it to open. So now if I want to install this as an app, I've come to this page and I'll have to click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then click on Cast, Save and Share and select this option, Install Page as App. Here you can rename it if you want, otherwise just click on Install. And as you can see, it has been installed and it's like any other app on our PC. The icon has come here and we can use that to open the app. So if I close this and if I just double click on the icon, as you can see, it has opened over here. And let's say you want to pin this to your taskbar. Again, just ensure the app is open, then go to your taskbar. Over here, right click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. And the last thing to know is if you want to uninstall this. Again, it's really simple. Click on the three dots which are over here and then select Uninstall Wordle and remove. So now it's gone. This is how it works and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.